sinabi din na wala nang hadlang para arestuhin si Senator Bato kasi nga deny daw yung TR.
Kasi nga, political naman to. Alam naman natin ng digmaan between the pro-administration and the independents, or sabihin na natin, hindi naman sila anti-administration pero independent of the administration. So, ang mga tao na nananawagan na ipahuli na si Bato, definitely, in my opinion, have an interest in the loss of Bato and the loss of the Duterte bloc or the weakening of the Duterte bloc. Hindi naman po komplikado yung teorya na yan. It is easily discernible. No? So, I don't think dapat pang sumama ang loob natin or magulat because ganyan ang politika. And right now, we should win the battles that we can win. Halimbawa, yung rules on electronic attendance, I think that's doable. I think they still have the numbers to pass that rule para po maka-attend ang mga kung sino man ang balak nilang ilayo sa Senado and such other internal rules that might affect the functioning of the Senate.
Though